Hi, I'm Ayla, and I'm a youth instructor with Science Venture. Today we're going to be using our Topic 3 kit to model some different molecules. So we'll be using our little bag of toothpicks and our modeling clay. Did you know that the Earth's atmosphere is made up of 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 0.9% argon, and then 0.1% is all kinds of other gases. The atmosphere also contains small amounts of greenhouse gases, which we use to trap the sun's heat and light to warm our planet. In your kit, there's lots of instructions to make lots of molecules, but today I'll be showing how water is formed. So I'm going to start by using one color to create a couple different hydrogen molecules. So hydrogen likes to hang out in pairs, so I'm going to put my two little balls and stick them together. And for creating water, we need two sets of these hydrogen pairs. Oxygen also likes hanging out together, so I'm going to mold up two little balls of oxygen and stick those together. So we have our one oxygen and our two things of hydrogen, and they join together, breaking up the oxygen with two hydrogen. And here we have H2O, water.